those, our brother and sister, have been going there now since, I say, 7 years ago. Almost every year, at least twice a year, we go back to Cameroon. We just spent 3 weeks in Cameroon. We visited 27 villages in Cameroon, 8 regions. The only 2 regions that we were not able to go were the region now we seem to have some type of problem now. But we are praying and hoping that by this time next year, you know, we have a chance to move them all over the places in Cameroon. So we are here to help. We are here to let you know that we are all one family, and let some of our brothers and sisters who have not got a chance to take the DNA test, because I know that it's so important for you to know where you came from. Because for so long, we heard some of those people saying that I'm like Italian, American, I'm Irish, American, I'm this and this and this. Now you have a chance to not just say that I'm African, but you have a chance to say I'm Nigeria. You have a chance to say I'm from Liberia. Not just from Liberia, but you could even go inside just like some of the people did in Cameroon. Just to make a short story for you guys. The magic of the DNA. 3-4 years ago, I did not know her. I took my own DNA test and make it public. And we found each other through the DNA. And then she found out that she was from the same royal family like me. And then I took her back home to the king. And then the king adopted her and make her a royal princess in Gambetta. So this is just one of the examples. There's a lot of examples like that. So we just need to find each other. We just need to be open. So that's one of the reasons that for some of my brothers who were born in Africa, I always try to tell them that please, do your best, take your DNA test. Because you may be sitting next to this guy that you work with him every day at work, and then that's your direct cousin, and then you don't even know. So go and take that DNA test, and then you will know. Sometimes you walk in the room, you just feel so comfortable with one person. You don't know why. Sometimes it's in the blood. That may be your true cousin, but you never knew that was your cousin. So until you take that test of DNA, you may not really know. So my encouragement for you guys is like, do everything that you could do to embrace your brother and sister and let them know that you really love them. And some of the one who got a chance to go to Africa, to Cameroon, for example, I will give you a chance to let them speak for themselves. But all I want to let you know that I'm thankful that you are here, that we are all sharing the same experience. And then I'm hoping that in the future, just like the president said, we will find a way to work hand to hand and then to make our organization stronger, and then to see how we could do more and more, because we don't want you to ever think that you don't belong to Africa. America, yes, you build this country, but your true home is Africa. Thank you.
Yeah.